An amazing feature of the Sun Princess is the destination or smart elevators. For these elevators, all you have to do is press which deck you want to go to. It will tell you which elevator letter to go to, and then you just wait. You hop on, and then it will take you right there. One thing I would like is having instructions on how to use them, because we have found that a lot of people have no clue, and don't blame them. Hopefully when you're watching this video, this is why you are watching it, is to learn how to use them. And so you actually only need to press it one time and then just wait. Sometimes it might seem like it's going to take forever, but what ends up happening is people will go and they'll press it, and then they'll wait, and then they'll press it again. And same elevator, press it again, says the same elevator. And they just keep doing that, and then it floods the system, because the system thinks like there's all these people that want to go to that deck, and then it'll be like, please wait, elevators are full. So just press it once and be patient. There are some days where it's going to be more busier than others. Don't keep hitting it hoping that it's going to tell you a different elevator. One thing I absolutely love is there is a gangway button. So you don't have to remember which deck you need to be on. You can just hit the gangway button. There is an accessibility mode. All you have to do is hit this button right here. Maybe.
Select floor by pressing again.
Then you can listen for which one you want, and then you can press it.
Select floor by
And then you can listen again just for which floor you want. Deck 5.
Elevator D to deck 5. Forward above the left.
And then we're ready to go.